speaking on behalf of our partners from Thundercomm, Roger, Ali, we're thinking of you. I'll do my best to tell everybody about the amazing product that has now been launched thanks to the fruits of this work between Qualcomm and Canonical. And that is RUBIK Pi 3. It's really nice, right? So let me tell you about it a little bit, and you'll be able to see more and play with them in the unconference room in just a little bit. So first of all, on the hardware side, we're starting with the 6490 chip that you heard about from Pragya, Adam, and Amaya. And so we start with this very high performance AI capability, as you saw, in a pretty small form factor, very much targeted to developers, so 12 TOPS, and high memory. So you have all this great hardware, looks like you're all probably very excited to go play with it. And then in terms of the software that we have on top, as we said, we have kind of an out-of-the-box, preloaded with Ubuntu. It just works, all of the features. We have Edge Impulse that Pragya spoke about, a recent acquisition from Qualcomm, bringing a lot of that AI software for the Edge applications directly as part of this experience with RUBIK Pi, and a number of other applications kind of ready to get developers started. And so with this, RUBIK Pi, this is where I do my game show host imitation. Anybody want to guess the retail price of this? There may be a prize waiting for you. These RUBIK Pis from Thundercomm are indeed $99 as of today. So stop by our room. Thank you so much for all the teams who've worked on this. Thank you